Hello everybody, this is Brother Wadham, and I wanted to give you all a quick tutorial as far as how to sign up for editorial boards and also to sign up for the journals for which you're going to write your papers this semester. So of course you click on People here in Canvas, and that will take you to the group sign-ups, and these are now fixed so you can sign up for both an editorial board as well as if a journal that you're going to write your 3 papers for. Because there are only 14 students in this class, we are going to close the Journal of Contemporary Fiction and Journal of War Literature. So if you signed up to be on the editorial board of either of these 2 journals or to write for them, we are going to need to have you sign up for an alternate. Now, of course, the sign-up process is quite easy. You simply go to the journal that you want and sign up as either an editor. Now remember that you will be the editor of the same journal for the entire semester, and that you can't write a paper for the journal you're editing. And then you need to sign up for 3 other journals, and one journal that you will write your formalist literary analysis for, one journal that you'll write your theory-based analysis for, and then finally a journal that you will submit your research paper to. I hope that makes sense. Please let me know if you have questions, and we do need to get this process finished as quickly as we can so we can move forward in the class, and I appreciate your help with that. Thanks so much.